Alright, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Yeah, I got the transmission from the front yard to the backyard. And yes, thank you, Moparnut. It's, yeah, this is a 727 overdrive with the transfer case still on it. I just took it out all as one unit, which it ain't going back in as one unit, that's for damn sure. And Kim fixes things. You pulled one of these things out even without the transfer case on it, or maybe that was Nathan's Mopar Garage. One of the two said you did it, but both of you pulled these out. My hat's off to you guys, especially if y'all doing it in your backyard or anywhere but a shop on a lift, and especially without a transmission jack. I just used a I used a floor jack, and that's one of the reasons I guess why I pulled it out as one unit. Believe it or not, I had something, the cross member, where I could get it down far enough without worrying about it dropping on me. Remember, I'm doing this on a truck, not a car, and I got a 4-inch lift on it. I'll put it to you this way: the thing sits so tall that when I change the oil on it, I just have the wife walk underneath it and pull the oil filter and the drain plug. You know, she can do it standing up. But anyway, yes, I just pulled it out and let it down far enough. But anyway, guys, yeah, I know I'm tired. I'm wiped out. That's going to be it on working on this thing today. And, you know, I'm going to see what I can do about cleaning it up. And do a little bit more research on it and see what's involved. And also, Moparnut, that 800-pound spring you told me to watch out for, that's the little jewels of information I was kind of looking for. You know, something that, hey man, watch out for this because it can friggin' take your head off. Yeah, those are the little pieces of advice that I really do appreciate, because I had no friggin' idea. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate that. So, my next question for you, my friend. You said I can rebuild the front of it. Again, I'm an idiot. I've never touched an automatic transmission, let alone a 727 that can kill you, okay? So, can I take it apart here? I'm assuming I can take this off because that's the transfer case. Yeah, but you know, I'm hoping, you know, I'm just also assuming too that I can take it apart here so I can rebuild the front part of it and just don't touch this part at all. So I'm just guessing that 800-pound freaking death spring in there is held in there by something other than just the front of the transmission, or the front transmission part. If I'm wrong, please, for God's sakes, please let me know. YouTube wouldn't allow me to upload a video where I unalived myself, even if it was by accident, you know what I mean? So I'd like to continue doing some videos. So let me know, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you all. Y'all have a good weekend. Be safe. And hopefully I'll talk to you tomorrow. We'll see ya.